morning. I just woke up and peed. Obviously I look like a mess, but yeah. Just give me a moment, because it's my first words of the day. I need to like collect it together. We are going back to Orlando. This is gonna be fun. So I haven't even packed yet, but we're gonna pack. I'm probably gonna take some makeup on the way, just so like in case I don't get ready on time. You guys, this is so bad. I need to stop touching my eyes. Usually my meals are way better looking at this, but homegirl is in a rush, okay? So this is the fit. I'm not putting any makeup yet until I get into the car. I don't know. I want to do something with my hair, but we're gonna see how that goes. And yeah. So we're looking for the car. He said GU, but we see GUU. We don't see GU on this side. Oh, okay. Okay, so we went further down and there's a U now. Yeah, what kind of car is it?
Honda white.
Color?
White Honda.
Oh fuck, there's hella white cars. We are in the car, we found the car. Now we just have to go pick up Daria, and we're also Bluetoothing our phones on there. So yeah, getting everything ready. Sexy mama! We just went to go get Starbucks. I got my mango dragon fruit and a bacon Gouda sandwich. So yeah, and we are back on the road. I put on some makeup too. We're at the alcohol store getting alcohol. Alcohol. So don't be dumbasses like us that got glass alcohol.
But at least we made it this time, so.
Yeah. But we can't bring alcohol in at all.
We can't bring alcohol.
No,
anyways.
he told us. Yeah. He told us that we can't. Yeah, we can't bring alcohol. We couldn't bring but I mean, next time if we really want alcohol, we'll probably just put it in like a bottle. But yeah. So, cheers.
Working on the weekends as usual.
It's a full-time job, okay? Alright guys, round 2. Let's see if we can get in now. I know, right? I know. Tourists over here. So pretty. I'm going on that. We should go. Just do it. YOLO.
What's that?
The slide. We're all ready. Wow, we look good. It's a video. Yeah. Oh, we're so tropic. Oh, we need to go to like an island or something. We need to go to Hawaii.
Yes, we are going. New Year. Okay. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tropics. Okay, I look good like when I'm looking somewhere. Actually.
I should have just finished it all. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. We are in line for a ride. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Yeah, it's really complicated. Have fun, Chester! You guys, it is like raining so much. It is raining.
Tinder doesn't text me on Tinder, I'm gonna add him on Instagram. And I'm going all the way forwards. Yeah.
Wow. Just drink with us. You can drink this one.
No.
Okay.
And like the thing, guys, she doesn't even drive.
She's not even driving.
Like, you could be a driver, perfect. I mean, I'm down, but if you want to die today, it's. What are you thinking about?
Since we are just chilling under the rain and hanging out, let's manifest. So I am manifesting that I am going to be rich and famous. Okay.
What should I do?
What are you manifesting?
We're
under the rain. Yeah. What are you manifesting?
Okay. I'm manifesting to be rich, to get rich, and to be like celebrity girl.
So famous, rich and famous? What about? Okay, go ahead.
I would like to go on the show now. I'm ready because like if you asked me like 3 years ago, I would be like, no, what my parents gonna think.
Yeah, like you're shy and
Yeah,
stuff.
but now I'm ready to shine.
Okay, what about her?
I want like wealthy. I want to be wealthy.
A man that has.
That is like gold. You know?
We are manifesting for money. This is the year for money.
Yeah, but
And health.
we look good. Living in Hawaii.
I know, right? What in the sorcery is this?
You still think that's like it's a fun war? The guys having fun there. Actually, yeah, he can drink it.
I'm too short, so I had to stay back. Oh my god, we made it!
Girl.
We made it to this. That's what's gonna happen. It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's like going back to obviously they're not going all the way to the
I want to. This is the lazy river. I'm just living life. So I got the longboard barbecue chicken. It's like super long. Can you like show me your boobs? Let me see how long it is. Yeah. It's super long. Yum. Yeah. Koala burger.
No koala.
Koala.
No.
Koala. Koala. Yeah. K-O-A. No. What is it? Koala. K-O-A.
Koala. The koala burger, and yours is
Mahi mahi.
mahi mahi. Mine is the mango pulled pork whatever with trash and the volcanic fudge. Whoa. It looks really good actually.
It doesn't roll. Talk about that our towels gonna be dry.
It's definitely not gonna dry. I've done it, but Let me try.